The first thing you're going to want to do on your black paper is draw your image. You're going to want to work on some thicker, preferably pastel paper, something that has a little bit of a tooth to it or texture. This is just black construction paper, so it's not actually the best. Pastel paper is ideal for this medium. The next step after you've drawn out your image is to go over all your pencil with Elmer's glue. Okay, so the glue is fully dried, and now I'm grabbing my chalk pastels and some Q-tips. I'm going to use the Q-tips to push the chalk around into areas where my finger is too big. So I'm starting out with a green color, and I'm going to blend some greens and some blues together for the iris of the eye. You can see how I used fragmented marks, fragmented or broken hatch marks. And then I'm going in and gently using my finger and my Q-tip, blending those colors together. You might consider keeping a wet rag or baby wipe or wet paper towel next to you while you're working with chalk, so that way you can clean off your fingers while you're working with different colors. I apologize about the lighting in this video. I didn't realize, because I wasn't really watching the video screen when I was creating this, I was just looking down at my drawing. I didn't realize the lighting on this, so sorry about that. The end of the video, though, will show a final picture of this drawing under better light, and you can see the colors better. So I went in and did a white highlight with white pastel, and I'm cleaning up the outer edge of the iris, my pencil lines, and I'm going to go in with some white right up against the iris, and then as I move towards the edge of the eyeball, I'm going to grade out or lighten up the value of the white so that it creates sort of a shadow, and it makes the eye appear more three-dimensional, more sphere-like. So I push down really heavy with that white right up against the iris, and then I'm kind of smudging it out so to let sort of the black of the paper show through more. Working with chalk is pretty dusty, so careful not to swipe at the dust to remove it. Gently blow at it, and then you can go back in and refine once you're finished. I'm mixing a couple different colors for the skin tone, and you can turn your chalk onto the side so you can get a more broad coverage when you're working on a larger space. Keep a piece of paper under your hand while you're working on your chalk drawing, so that way you don't create any unwanted smudges and the chalk that you did apply stays put. When you're done with your chalk drawing, take it outside and spray it with a little bit of fixative. Follow the directions on the can of fixative. You can also use aerosol Aquanet hairspray. The fixative helps keep your drawing from smudging.